Hey guys, good morning. This is Madhu here. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I'm on a ride today. I'm riding towards Sakleshpura. Plan is to visit Manjarabad, and then on the way back, it's a one day ride. So on the way back from Manjarabad, we plan to visit Rosary Church. That's near Shettihalli. And then we also plan to visit a place called Mavinkere. That's near Chandraipatna. So this is a plan for a one-day ride. The time is almost 5:30, I guess, and I'll be meeting Bobby and Girish near Nelmangla Kunigal Road junction. Bobby will be coming from Yalanka, and Girish will be starting from Electronic City. We'll meet at Kunigal Road junction, and then we'll ride towards Sakleshpura. This is the plan for today. So right now I'm near 8th mile toll. Just crossed that. Those who watch my channel regularly, you would have figured out I'm not on my Duke. Yes, I'm on my Tiger. This is my new ride. Tiger will be my partner for all my future rides. So I'm near Nelmangla Kunigal junction now. I think Bobby and Girish should be somewhere here. Yeah, they're there. They're here. ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಸೌಂಡು? ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಂದು ತುಂಬ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ತುಂಬ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಬಂದು? 15 months ಆಯ್ತು. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ. ಬಾಬಿ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಏನು ಬ್ರೋ ನಾ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ? Nice. Good morning. What's up? Good morning. Good morning. So we are in Kunigal Road Junction. Bobby, Girish. So we are going towards Sakleshpura. First Manjarabad. First Manjarabad Fort, and then Shettihalli. And then Mavinkere Temple. Yes. So time is ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದಲ್ಲ 6 ಗಂಟೆ. Time is exactly 6 o'clock now. Around 200 kilometers from here. So around 3 hours? 3.5 hours. Yes. We'll stop somewhere. Let's see. Yeah. We'll stop somewhere for breakfast. So see you there. Breakfast, idli vada. We'll have idli vada. Yummy idli vada. with such roads, because Duke is a lot lighter, it's a lot nimble and easily flickable compared to Tiger. So I have to be slow, I have to take the corners slowly, and I can't be as aggressive I can be on Duke. So yeah, this is a different kind of experience. I need to get used to it. That's the fort. We have parked our bikes here. We hope it will be safe.
The tiger is in the bushes.
It's in the bushes, yeah.
It is waiting for his prey.
With the camouflage. These are camouflaged. Okay, let's go. ಎಷ್ಟು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಟ್ರೆಕ್ ಇದು?
ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೂರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅರ್ಧ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ದೂರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೊಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಮೇಲೆ.
ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ವ್ಯೂ.
ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು.
Yes. Star. Okay. ಇದು ಮಂಜರಾಬಾದ್ ಫೋರ್ಟ್ ಶುರುನಲ್ಲಿಂದ. This is the fort. This is the beginning of the fort.
Okay. ಏನು ಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ
the inside of Manjarabad fort. There's something here. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು?
ಇದಾ ಕೊಳ
ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ. Bangalore.
Bangalore.
Thank you. So we stopped here for some photos. It was a nice place. There's a nice pond. I clicked some photos and I'm going towards Shettihalli church. The church is on the other side of the bridge that you see there. So we have to go to the other side of the bridge now. We're done for the day. We visited Mandirabad Fort and then we visited Shettihalli Rosary Church. We took some nice pictures, nice videos, and it's time for us to now head back to Bangalore. Girish and Bobby have already gone ahead. I'll be joining them. So my battery, the action camera battery is running low, and I would not be able to record on the way back home. But then it will be 200 kilometers to Bangalore now. It should take us around 2.5 to 3 hours time if there is no rain. Yes, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and family. Do hit the like button, and then if you're not subscribed, do subscribe now. It means a lot to me. Until next video, until next time, see you, bye bye. So we are somewhere between Hasan and Chandrapatna. I was feeling very, very sleepy, so I just took a break. I washed my face, feeling better now. Bobby and Girish have gone ahead. They're waiting for me, so I'll start now and join them. I was feeling so sleepy that the bike was drifting to the left, so I thought it's better to stop and take some rest.
We are at the end of this Bobby's farewell ride.
Farewell ride. One ride.
It was an amazing experience going to Manjirabad Fort and
Unforgettable experience.
yeah. And Shettihalli Rosary Church. So, all in all, a superb ride on a weekday.
On a weekday, working office.
All the best, Bobby, for your future travels.
Okay. Until next video. Until next time. See you.
See you guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye.